scale which Nobilia has. Another differentiating factor for Nobilia is that the manufacturing plant of Nobilia is a Tech 4.0 plant. That shows that entire plant is automated. One machine talks to other machine. There is a very minimal intervention of human beings there. So if my kitchen is of different specification, his kitchen is of different specification, and everything is being done through machines, you can understand the technology we are using. So that makes us a company of great difference versus the competition. Nobilia is present into all segments of kitchen. It's starting from a project kitchen starting from 3,000 euros, and it goes to even 15,000 and 20,000 euros of work. That depends upon the customer requirements and customer size of the kitchen. So they have a huge range of product. They are which my colleague Rahul will talk in detail about product specifications. Now let me give you one context which is very relevant in these COVID times of modular kitchens, right? Is that, as you all know, if you make a kitchen in your house, it will take some 15-20 days to get completed, right? But in Nobilia modular kitchen, all our kitchen is, or we only take the specifications, we discuss the design, everything with the customer one-on-one, and the kitchen, the complete kitchen. Nobilia in India is associated with Prism Johnson Limited. Prism Johnson Limited is a big brand, a big lifestyle company operating into categories of tile, bath, kitchen and marble. We are a 60-year-old company, and we have this association with Nobilia more than 10 years. That we give complete lifestyle solution to our customers, and kitchen is one part of it, apart from bath and tiles and marble and other product categories, right? So a great association with two big companies, one from Europe, another one from India, and a great association with a great partner like Praneeth, who is again a very strong in this Bangalore market with this strong association. So it is a big team, great team who has come to your city to serve.
There are a lot of myths, like carpenters are also making the kitchen, they are called a modular. Modular kitchen is basically a kitchen which comes with a module, which can be shifted also one place to another place. That's the advantage. So that is called the modular kitchen. Very important thing, these are machine fixed kitchen, because the hardware whatever is available, if that cannot have any kind of precision, 1 mm difference is also there, then this will not long last for longer time. So this is completely machine fixed kitchen. Third very important thing which I have seen in India, many places, in fact metro, people are importing some components from Germany and Europe, and then they are selling, my kitchens are from Italy and Germany. The thing impact form is coming from Germany. We are not doing any hardware or any accessories in India. So there is no hybrid kitchen, there is a pure original European kitchen.
ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ SBI ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ Nobilia ಒಂದು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕಿಚನ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡು ಇದು ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆನ್ನೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜರ್ಮನ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಈ ದಿವಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಿಚನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವುದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ Nobilia ಕಿಚನ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸು ಕಿಚನ್ ನಾವು ವಿಸ್ಮಯ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿದೆ.
My name is Pankaj Sharma. I am president for Prism Johnson Limited. Today in Bangalore we are inaugurating Nobilia kitchen franchisee in association with Vismaya Gallery, which is located at Hennur Road, Bangalore. Nobilia is the European largest kitchen manufacturer operating with Industry 4.0 quality standards. In Bangalore, we are here to give our customer a best quality product at a value for money positioning. Right?
We are giving a service, 1 year servicing free, by person will come take care of the services, and after that also the AMCs are available, like we have a AMC for our electronic items, cars and other things. So that's the advantage